Just 1 to 4 teaspoons daily to reduce inflammation and rebuild your gut. Fast. The power of turmeric for your colon and beyond. Your colon is the cornerstone of your health, and one incredible spice can work wonders to support it. Turmeric. This golden gem is a game changer because so much of your well-being begins in the colon. Consider this. Your colon and brain are deeply connected. A whopping 90% of serotonin, that uplifting hormone that keeps you feeling good, comes from your colon. When serotonin levels go off track, you might notice the effects and wonder why. You're battling brain fog, struggling to focus, or feeling down. You could face mood swings, sadness, or even anxiety. And since serotonin feeds into melatonin production in your pineal gland, poor regulation might leave you tossing and turning at night, disrupting your sleep cycle. Serotonin does more than lift your mood. It shapes how you experience pain and plays a big role in your heart health. Think blood pressure, heart rate, and even blood clotting. Everyone at some point deals with gut troubles or digestive hiccups. It all ties back to the colon, the starting point for so much in your body. Enter turmeric, your ally in healing. This spice can help soothe and strengthen your colon, setting off a ripple effect for better mental clarity, emotional balance, restful sleep, and a healthier heart. Everything starts in the colon. Give it the support it needs with turmeric. If you found this information helpful and want to discover more valuable health secrets, don't hesitate to subscribe to the Healthy Food Code right now. Your support is our greatest motivation to continue creating high-quality videos that help you live healthier and happier every day. 1. Turmeric. Extinguishing the flame of inflammation and protecting your every cell. When the fire of inflammation smolders within your body, especially in your colon, that's when all health issues begin to escalate. This isn't just about fleeting pains. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy, the deep-seated cause of a myriad of serious ailments. Think of inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, or the dreaded specter of colorectal cancer, all intimately linked to uncontrolled inflammatory responses. But fortunately, nature has bestowed upon us a powerful firefighter, and that is turmeric. The true power of turmeric lies in its golden active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is not just an ordinary antioxidant, it's a mighty warrior safeguarding your body at the cellular level, a silent hero fighting against internal devastation. Picture this. Every day, our bodies face oxidative stress, a relentless attack from free radicals. These free radicals are like invisible saboteurs. They damage cells, weaken mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, and trigger inflammatory reactions. This is the root cause of premature aging and countless diseases, from skin conditions to dangerous chronic illnesses. So what does curcumin do? It dives into the battle, tirelessly neutralizing these free radicals before they can cause harm. By neutralizing these destroyers, curcumin helps protect the integrity of your cells, keeps your mitochondria functioning efficiently, and most importantly, it extinguishes the flame of inflammation from within. This not only alleviates inflammatory symptoms, but also prevents the progression of chronic inflammatory diseases, bringing peace to your digestive system and your entire body. By understanding this mechanism, we see that turmeric is not just a spice. It is a cellular shield, an indispensable companion on the journey to restoring overall health and warding off disease. With the flame of inflammation extinguished and your cells protected, let's now explore how turmeric continues to rebuild health from the very foundation of our body, the gut microbiome. 2. Turmeric. Cultivating a healthy gut microbiome. The foundation of vitality. Now that we've quelled the flame of inflammation and protected our cells with the power of turmeric, it's time to delve into an even more foundational aspect of overall health, the gut microbiome. You can imagine this intricate system as a complex universe of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms residing within your digestive tract. They're not just there. These inhabitants play an incredibly crucial role in regulating everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immune function and even your mood. An imbalanced microbiome where harmful bacteria dominate can lead to a cascade of unexpected health issues. And this is where turmeric once again proves its outstanding value. Curcumin, the miraculous active compound in turmeric, has been shown to exert prebiotic effects. Unlike probiotics, which are beneficial live bacteria, prebiotics are the food for the good bacteria in your gut. Turmeric not only helps inhibit the growth of bad bacteria, but also powerfully promotes the proliferation of beneficial bacterial strains. This leads to a healthier balance within the gut microbiome, an internal garden where good bacteria can thrive. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is paramount. It ensures that digestion occurs efficiently, helping your body absorb maximum nutrients from the food you eat. Furthermore, it serves as the first and strongest line of defense for your immune system, helping you ward off illness. When your gut is healthy, your entire body benefits, from boosted energy and radiant skin to mental clarity. Turmeric, by nourishing your gut microbiome, is not just a spice. It's a silent architect, helping to build a solid foundation for your comprehensive well-being. Continuing our journey of exploring the amazing benefits of turmeric, we'll now delve into how this spice boosts other vital functions of your body. Efficient digestion and natural detoxification processes. 3. Turmeric, the multifunctional detox machine, optimizing digestion and detoxification. Having fortified the gut microbiome, turmeric's journey in building comprehensive health continues with its pivotal role in optimizing digestion and enhancing the body's natural detoxification capabilities. These are two vital functions, ensuring that everything you consume is processed efficiently and all harmful toxins are thoroughly eliminated. Did you know that efficient digestion and nutrient absorption don't just stop in the stomach and small intestine? Bile plays an incredibly crucial role, and turmeric is a powerful catalyst for this process. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to produce and secrete more bile. Bile isn't just a simple fluid. It's the golden key that helps break down fats and fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, K, so your body can absorb them to their fullest potential. When bile is produced abundantly and flows smoothly, fat digestion becomes more efficient, while also aiding in the easy removal of waste and toxins from your colon. Imagine bile as a river that flushes away all impurities, keeping your gut clean and clear. And it doesn't stop there. The active compound curcumin in turmeric is also a reliable ally for your liver, the body's main detoxification factory. Curcumin supports liver function, enhancing natural detoxification enzymes, helping the liver process and eliminate harmful substances accumulated from food, the environment, or metabolic processes. A healthy liver is a strong shield protecting your body from harmful agents, ensuring that the flow of life remains pure. It's precisely thanks to these synergistic effects that turmeric becomes an indispensable tool in helping you maintain regularity in bowel movements. It not only reduces inflammation in the gut, supports a healthy microbiome, and stimulates bile production, but also directly boosts the detoxification process. The result is a clean colon, functioning smoothly with regular bowel movements, a pivotal factor for efficient waste elimination, optimal nutrient absorption, and maintaining overall digestive health. With a purified and efficiently functioning colon, you'll witness noticeable changes. However, if you're experiencing persistent issues like constipation, let's delve deeper into its unforeseen consequences and why resolving them is so critical. 4. Constipation, the silent destroyer of your health. Are you struggling with constipation? Irregular bowel movements, perhaps even just once a week? Don't underestimate this. It's an urgent cry for help from your own body. Prolonged constipation isn't just uncomfortable, it's the beginning of a process of auto-intoxication. When stool stays too long, toxins are reabsorbed back into your bloodstream, spreading throughout your body. This causes systemic toxicity, affecting every organ. Skin breakouts, psoriasis, eczema, chronic fatigue, autoimmune issues, allergies, all can stem from a congested and toxic colon. Your colon is an immune hub and your body's main filter. When it's compromised, toxins overflow, weakening your immune system and overwhelming your body. A healthy colon isn't just key to smooth digestion. It's a comprehensive protective shield, the foundation for a life full of energy and free from disease. It's time to listen to its voice. 5. How to use turmeric effectively to unleash turmeric's full potential for your colon and overall health. Proper usage is key. The recommended dosage for curcumin ranges from 500 to 2,000 milligrams per day. However, absorption is what truly matters most. Secrets to boosting absorption. Combine with black pepper, piperine. This is the main secret. Piperine in black. Pepper can enhance curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Always take turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Consume with fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so taking turmeric with olive oil, coconut oil, or within a meal containing healthy fats will significantly improve absorption. Consistency is key. Whether you use powder or fresh turmeric, make it an integral part of your daily diet to see a positive difference. Applying these principles will help you optimize turmeric's benefits, transforming it into a powerful tool on your health journey. The gut, your golden key to holistic health. We've explored the profound importance of your colon, the central hub for your emotions, energy, and immunity. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has proven to be a powerful warrior that quenches inflammation, protects cells, nourishes your gut microbiome, and optimizes both digestion and detoxification. We've also understood the dangers of constipation, recognizing it as not just a discomfort, but a perilous auto-intoxication process that affects every system in your body. The most profound lesson learned is this: true health stems from a balanced and harmonious gut. To apply this to your life, listen to your body. Don't ignore the signals from your digestive system. Nourish good bacteria. Incorporate prebiotics from garlic, onions, green bananas, and consider adding turmeric, combined with black pepper and healthy fats, to your daily diet. Eliminate the destroyers. Drastically cut back on processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. Drink enough water and manage your stress levels. Caring for your gut isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle that helps you regenerate health from within, unlocking a life full of energy and happiness. What are your thoughts on the role of the gut in overall health? Please share your perspective in the comments section below so we can all learn from each other. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Food Code to support us in creating even more quality and valuable content in the future.